So Motorola has shown us that they are the king of flip phones in the foldable market. If we compare it with the latest Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra stand out in front of Samsung's Flip 6. We know Samsung makes the best foldables in the market, but this year they have lost in the flip phone making. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with the same design and looks as the Z Flip 5, there is no upgrade. In the name of the new look, Samsung has colored the camera rings to match the phone's colors, and even the cover display is the same size. The same goes with the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. There is no design change, but they have increased the cover display from 3.6 inches to full 4 inches. This makes the Razr 50 Ultra look more fresh, and we get to do more things on the cover display that we can't do in the Z Flip 6. See, I'm not making the look Z Flip 6 bad here, we just had a big hope from Samsung to give us something new, or they should have given us the least a bigger cover display for productivity. This folder type cover screen is not making to do work evenly. The big company like Samsung is not making improvements in the latest phones is shocking to know. On the other hand, Motorola has been doing great work in recent years by listening to their users and implementing features that are required. When comparing the specs of the Z Flip 6 and the Razr 50 Ultra side by side, it is clear that there is no big difference between them to justify making one-sided decision to purchase one phone over the other. The Razr 50 Ultra is one step ahead of the Z Flip 6 in every department in display size and cameras. The only difference is in the CPU. The Razr 50 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and the Z Flip 6 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Both phones have almost similar Antutu scores with minor difference in the numbers. But let me tell you, the real magic is all in the software optimization for the flip phone, and the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra also wins in that department. The Razr 50 Ultra has optimized the software for the cover display to use that full 4 inches screen, and it does a pretty great job. You can almost do the all work from the cover display without opening the full screen, which also helps the battery to last for a day or more. When discussing the software, the Razr 50 Ultra features a new Hello UI, while the Z Flip 6 comes with Samsung's One UI. I will not share my opinion on this as everyone has their own preference when it comes to software. Personally, I enjoy both interfaces. The Hello UI offers a stock Android feel, while the One UI has its own unique vibe. I will leave it up to you to decide which one you prefer. In conclusion, if I wanted to buy a flip phone and these two are the options, then I would go for the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra because there are many plus points, with the price being a major plus point. I am willing to compromise slightly on the performance compared to the Z Flip 6 in order to save some money, as most users do not fully utilize the CPU's potential in their daily lives. So what would you pick from these two flip phones? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.